Let's pack for return customer from Washington. Actually, this sweetie placed her first order last month. We filmed the packing video for it, but haven't edited yet. We decided to post this one first. Come to see what she picked. She picked 4 sets. The first set is Cat in the Forest, one of our early autumn collection, a very popular design. The second set is Sweetheart Princess, also one of our new arrivals in August, a very sweet and cute set of Chanel's. The third one is Flowing Starry Sky, another sky themed design after our popular macaron Starry Sky. Last one is Lavender Tea. It's a very elegant and clean design. It also has a sister set whose base color is white. All nails are kept in boxes and well wrapped to prevent hurting during shipping. So happy to see many people love our new designs, including our early autumn collection and Halloween collection. Thank you. Hope our cute creation could bring everyone a smile.